Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Got some Chill and Rain ETB. Walmart stocked a week early here. I picked up a bunch of load of booster packs on Friday, this the other day. But yeah, can't wait to rip this bad boy. A little early release action. Let's get it. Alright, let's get going here. Pretty excited about this. Let's go over here and cut it.
Daddy, is there actually golden ones?
There is gold in here, baby. That's right.
Is there golden coins?
No, it's not like the Zacian or the Zamazenta one.
Yeah, and the gold.
There's gold cards in here though. I think there's a gold Snorlax. I'm not sure.
I want to go all the way down here.
Yeah, we got.
I want gold Snorlax.
Well, here, look in the book, son.
Okay, give me it.
I like to open that up.
Give me it.
Here's our book.
Where's the book?
Here, you can look for the cool card. I think.
Look for the VMAX.
See what the contents here. 8 packs.
What?
And got our dividers, our energy,
Dada,
code card for everybody.
Daddy.
Code card lady.
Can I please get the golden coin again?
You want the golden coin again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
Slipper, yes sir.
I see some.
You see the birds in there, son?
Aurelia, I found a Jigglypuff.
So Leo found a Jigglypuff.
Oh, and this is what the golden coin. Hey, there's no gold.
Congratulations to PokeBaller Mike. Finally got a win on me there.
This is
There's our dice.
the golden coin
markers.
Daddy has.
Here you go, baby.
So shiny.
Mike finally got that win. Pulled one out. Well, actually, he didn't pull one out. If you guys watched his stream from last night. Woo! Mike pulled some fire with the birds too over there. Out of that Hidden Fates box, ETB. That was pretty sick.
You get the red. I want red.
Code card lady?
And I'm already gonna open up the pack. I found a shiny Snorlax.
Oh, there you go, Mike.
I found a
Started off
hollow.
correct with the Chill and Rain. I'm not sure if he's gonna watch
I
this
found
though.
a hollow Snorlax.
Crushing Gloves, Deerling.
I found a hollow
Slowpoke.
Snorlax.
You found a gold Snorlax?
A hollow one.
You did.
Yes.
Snowrun. Pretty cool.
Right here.
Game of Thrones action there. Karen's Conviction
Ah.
and a Gengar Hollow. What's that, bud? Yeah, it's. Oh, there's a lot in there.
Yes. There's a
Could be.
hollow Snorlax.
That's really cool, dude. Let me check it out. Yeah, there is a gold Snorlax.
It's a hollow.
We need to pull one of them. Well, this is fitting for the run of pulls I've been getting. Opening up a Chill and Rain box. What's up, Bubba?
Go put this in the trash.
No, we need that.
Okay.
Ray, what are you opening over there, baby? Psychic. Lantern. Clara. Thank you, sir. Brawly. Cool Sneasel art. Who's back there? Throwing. Looks like he's throwing jalapenos. There's a Weedle for Kingsley. Farfetch'd. Cast Form. Larvesta. Chest Plate. Ooh, and a Tornadus VMAX.
I want that.
That is nice.
And I want it. Wait, we don't have it.
That is pretty cool.
Can I please keep this? Can I please keep this?
Yes, you can, sir. Here, Ray, you gotta sort these, baby. We gotta put them in a new binder.
So I never had that before.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
Here, sort them nice so we can put them in a new binder.
Please, can I have the golden coin?
Yes, when Attilio's done with the golden coin, you can have the golden coin.
Can I please keep it forever?
You want it forever?
Yeah.
Yes, you can have it forever.
I want this forever.
So I am doing a giveaway after this video, or not after this video. It's gonna run for the week. So the giveaway is gonna run for the week. We're gonna have 4 winners. So I'll show the 4 prizes after this, or after the rip here. Huh, baby? I don't know.
So you said you wanted to keep the gold coin forever.
forever.
Yes.
Reboot, Agatha, Fog Crystal, Garuki, my boy, Mareep, Rockruff in the snow. Digging, baby. Swirlix, Lapras, Snover Reverse, and an Articuno. Got one of the birds. There we go. Articuno V. Let's get a sleeve. Take that. Take that.
No.
It's nice looking.
I want the other gold. Dad?
Yes, sir.
I want to give away this gold. No.
Okay. I wonder what happened to all these stands.
No.
I'm like losing these things.
No. Araya. No. Don't take it.
Stop fighting, please.
Dada,
Share nicely. You guys are a team, remember?
Araya. The race said she hates this coin.
Why?
And it's like, don't go into my thing.
Pretty tired today. Another fire. Here we go, Mike. Let's go. Let's go, Mike. Let's get this. Karen's Conviction. Echo and Horns. Pull that gold, bro. Quillfish. Rocket. Looks like he's jamming through space. Slowpoke. Weedle again. Mareep. Ralts. Farfetch'd Reverse. And a Hatterene Hollow. It's almost like it's a 3D card. It's pretty cool. It's got a weird effect to it. Here you go, Raya.
Thank you. Even this is big. Even this card is bigger.
Got
Hey, this card
halfway
is bigger.
through.
Look, this card is the biggest.
Yes, that one is bigger.
And what about the red one?
What red one?
The red one right there on the plate.
Psychic Whirlipede.
Is the red
Cybold. Larion. Hatena.
Dad?
Sobble. Crying some ice cubes. Bound Sweet.
Excuse me, Dada.
Furfrou, yes sir. Diglett. Peony.
What about the red one?
Zangoose. There's some nice art.
Excuse me.
There you go,
Antonio.
Elise. That's really nice.
Where?
Digging that card. Here, Raya. Couple more to go. At least we got one of the birds. Nice Tornadoes VMAX there.
This red one. This one is like this one.
4.
Oh, Dad, this one is bigger.
Oh yeah?
It's bigger than this one. This one
Hatchram,
is shorter
Flappy,
than
Kakuna,
this one.
Diglett,
Ah,
Score Bunny with a gigantic snowball. That's
what?
pretty fun. Check that out.
Everybody with the
Shuppet, Cubfu, oops, Blitzel, Agatha Reverse,
No.
and a Tauros Hollow.
I never had this. Oh,
These hollows are really nice. Like I said, they almost, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but there's almost like a 3D effect to it. They're really cool.
Dad, Aurelia just bumped me in the shoulder.
Oh man, no shoulder bumping. You guys need to get back in the pool or something.
I like the
So you guys get super tired. Right? You're putting trash on me over here? You're sneaking some trash around?
Excuse me, it's me. Can I please have a coin?
So far, a very beautiful set.
I will
Especially, like I said, the
share
hollows are really cool. Haunter, Celio, Melanie, Rocker Up in the Snow, Shuppet, Cast Form.
Can I keep it forever?
Looks like he's in Superman's
Dada,
lair there. Ghastly. Jeez. Cubfu,
Dada,
Cacleon. That's a really nice card.
excuse
Check
me.
that out. Yes, sir.
And can I see?
And a Galarian
I
Weezing.
like the red one better.
Last pack.
Dada, Raya said she likes the red one better.
The red coin.
Yeah. I want the red one. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Dad, look, I filled it all
Last
up.
pack mojo. Let's get it.
Daddy, look, I filled it all up.
Dark Energy. Scroll
Woo.
Piercing.
Yeah, look,
Melody,
Raya just filled the
Exposition
whole
uniform.
thing up.
Very nice. That's awesome. You got
Now
Mask.
she has to put
Yeah, at
the
least,
code cards.
Snowrunt.
Is this one better
Bomb
than
Sweet.
red? Yeah.
Cubfu.
The
Inkay.
red one.
Reverse Cybold. And our last. Ooh, a Zapdos.
Oh,
That
you
is
want
nice.
the unicorn?
Beautiful. 2 out of 3.
Unicorn coin?
2 out of 3 birds.
Oh, what's that? The blue one? That
On the hunt for
sparkles?
one more.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Never had a red.
Awesome box.
What is
That was nice.
the,
I'll take the hits after the run I've been through.
Oh, shoot.
We got 2 of the 3 birds. There's a Zapdos.
Dad, can you please give Aurelia the blue one?
Yes, sir.
Nine
Let's take them out of here. Beautiful cards.
Bigger.
Boy, the Zapdos going in for the kill with them talons. Got the Articuno.
No, Ray, come on. Don't take this!
Looks like he's in like a winter space there.
I thought you liked it, Ray, but it doesn't matter.
There's a Tornadus VMAX.
It matters. No, it doesn't matter.
That's beautiful. I've looked in the book for that. Ray, you got all the Holos, baby? Let's see all the Holos. Did you separate them or no? No? You just threw them all in there?
Dad,
There's a Hatterene.
Aurelia, you had to put the darts
With
in the
that 3D looking
No,
effect is really, really cool. Beautiful. I appreciate everybody guys watching. A little sneak peek in the Chilling Reign ETB. I'm not sure. Actually, I haven't even looked on YouTube to see if anybody even opened one. There you have it. There's our 3 hits out of it. Did we get 1 point? We might as well get 1 point next time we play PokeBaller Mike. But as far as the giveaway, like I said, I'm gonna run this one for a week. So next Monday I'll announce the winner. We'll have 4. So I got 2 mystery packs. Yeah, we're just gonna call them banger packs. That's all. How's that sound? Thanks to PokeBaller Mike. I'll do an Aracuda Battle Styles promo blister pack, and then a Chilling Reign booster pack here. So we'll have 4 winners for this giveaway. We'll run it for a week. Really easy to enter. You can follow me on Twitter. Share that with 3 friends. Follow me on Instagram. Share that with 3 friends. Like and subscribe to this video and to the channel. I'm gonna need video evidence of 57 push-ups, and then you'll be in for the giveaway. So we'll keep it nice and easy for that. I'm kidding. Just comment on this video to enter. You don't have to do all that. But I appreciate it, guys. Thanks again. Don't forget to follow the community. Show some love to everybody. Vax Plays. Your boy's wrecking it over there. PokeBaller Mike, ol'tyme Poke. Show everybody some love. Pokemaniac Jack. Let's get him some packs. I appreciate everybody. Have a good night. What you doing, Bubba?